I'm Shravan Krishnan. This is the Besant Memorial Animal Dispensary. This is Arjun. He's like our fastest horse. We ride him sometimes. He was very friendly. We started this 4 years ago, where we had a little bit of crowdfunding to slightly revamp it. So when we started, there were around 55-60 animals. There was one veterinarian, only one caretaker. And in the last 3-4 years, we've grown into a pretty big organization, I would say. We have now 30 people working, and we have close to 200 animals. And we have 4 full-time veterinarians. Right? We have an ambulance. In the morning, Veera. To find vets who are compassionate, that was the biggest challenge. Not many work at shelters, right? Because one, it's not a highly paid job compared to what it is other places. Secondly, it's a lot of dirty work, right? You see a lot of traumatic cases day in and day out. We have people from the fishing hamlet, your auto walas, your iron walas, who cannot afford treatment in a private clinic, right? Your vaccination definitely costs a lot of money. So we try and do it at a subsidized price. And also, people who cannot afford, the treatment's absolutely free. We don't believe in caging any animal unless or until they are sick and they need that cage rest, right? Which is advised by our vets.
Where are they from?
This is from Madhavaram. This guy has a broken hoof. Okay.
Oh.
So, apdiya idha amma. We rescued the mother, and she's pregnant as well. She's carrying. So, the white is a cow. Her hoof grew into her head. We've cut it off. No. This is Mara, this is the mother, and that one's Chetak. So we rescued Mara October last year. She had a maggot wound on her leg. This is Captain. He was in the Marina Beach. He was used for joy rides, and because of the COVID situation, people were not able to take care of him. These racehorses are kept inside stables most of the time. They get into a lot of boredom, psychological issues. So he has something called crib biting, where he bites onto the bars of a stable and sucks the air in. Trying to get him out of it, because grazing helps, and also interacting with other horses. We have around 22 inpatient units now. So we rescue dogs on the road, right from accident cases to maggot wounds to tumor removals to amputations, right, with kidney failures and all that. And once when they recover, if they are not spayed or neutered, we perform an animal birth control surgery, vaccinate them, and then we release them back in the same place where we find. We raised some funds and we distributed dog food to people around the city, dog feeders around, so that they could feed stray dogs. Right, we mobilized close to 2000 kgs of dog food. Horses, we helped out, giving them some say wheat bran and grass. Little bit we could help them out. We've rescued dogs, in fact, from people's houses where they've tested positive and they've gone to quarantine and they've just left the dog and gone. In fact, a Great Dane which was extremely aggressive and it had severe maggot wounds on both the legs.
During the lockdown periods, when there were no cars or bikes going on, the dogs started relaxing and going around the streets. But every time there is a lift in the lockdown, then when the cars go, the dogs don't realize that the lockdown is not there anymore. So they get hit by many cars. So we got a lot of fracture cases during the lockdown, post-lockdown period. 3 weeks an initial review and then
more important time to take care of them right now rather than abandoning them. And what I feel is there are some few good people and take care of our cats and dogs, and we have shelters like this who also encourage, because if you go to veterinary hospitals or something, they frown upon if you bring them rescues from the road or anything. They like,
right, it's very important that each and every street take responsibility of the stray animals over there, right? Feed them, make sure they are vaccinated, call an NGO to make sure they are neutered and spayed. When you have a pet animal with you, it's a lifelong commitment. It's like a family member.